welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about fashion, y'all. We're gonna be talking about all the good finds. We're gonna be talking about all of that, y'all. So I have been looking at Walmart. All the girlies online have been looking at Walmart because Walmart has been doing their thing lately, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I've been picking up. Some pieces, some things that I've just been getting, but I have not worn it yet. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I've been buying, okay? Down to some shoes, okay? Some tanks, pants, and a little bit of jewelry too, okay? So y'all stay tuned if y'all like that kind of content. This is mainly gonna be geared towards my plus size girls. If you're running out of outfits, come on, let me show you. Let's get dressed. Let's get dressed. All right, y'all. So we're gonna start with the first graphic. It's like a graphic muscle tee. I think it's in the men's department. Don't be afraid to look into the men's department. You'll find some good shirts. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna start with this muscle tee. This is a graphic tee. Kind of look like Farm Rio type of business going on with the jalapeno. It just looks cute, okay? Cute graphic tee. Let's go ahead and see what I pair with it. I got this little flower skirt that I got from H&M, and I have not worn this either. So let's pair it together and accessorize and see what we get. All right, y'all. So far, this is what it looks like. The dress does come long. Okay, so we got the long dress. I'm just gonna kind of tuck this so it'll kind of lean this way to give it some, you know, flavor. So let's accessorize it real quick. So we're gonna do these. We're gonna do these bracelets. Okay, you wanna know why? Because look, they go with the shirt. We got some shirt colors that we're gonna put on the wrist. So let's go ahead and do that, okay? Maybe I want this on the outside. No, it's gonna be on it. Okay, so we got another one, a square one, same color, but it goes on, okay? I don't know what is wrong, my hand swole, but we always gotta back up. We gotta back up. So then we're gonna put it on with this ring. Okay, so it's coming together really cute. It's cute. Then I do have this bracelet that I've had for years and years, y'all. This bracelet, a cuff bracelet. I'm gonna throw that on too. You can't ever have enough accessories, okay? Let's cuff that just like that. Okay, so it's a cuff. All right. And then to really top it off, y'all, we have some earrings. These are earrings that I actually got from Walmart, from the brand Scoop, I think. So I got these, and that's the reason why I'm wearing this bracelet, because it got a little bit purple in it, just like that. There you go. There you go. We're gonna bring out some color, okay? So let's put the earrings on. Let's scoop this up. Okay, this is the top. I like how it looks. Pretty. Doing shoes today, just showing y'all how to accessorize and how it look put on. Okay, so this is how it looks. Love it. I'm gonna have to do a repeat of this because I love this outfit. I love it. I'm gonna have to repeat it. If I had somewhere to go, I'm gonna find somewhere to go so I can wear this outfit. So now this is what it looks like. Love it. Love it, love it. Remember, accessorize. You can even throw a color in there that's not in your outfit. Just throw the color in and accessorize on that, because these purple earrings, All right, y'all. So this is the first outfit. Let's do the next one, okay? All right, y'all. So now we're going with the jeans that I got from Walmart. Let me hold it down so y'all can see. These are the jeans. They're like pinstripe. Cargos. They have little pockets on the side. They have pockets on the side. And a little loop. Alright, y'all, so I got the pants. I love these jeans. They're really comfortable. I think these are also, no, these are from Free Assembly. So Free Assembly is doing it up on Walmart, okay? So these are the jeans that I got. Let's accessorize it. I'm gonna do silver jewelry. Because silver is the safe way to go. When you don't have any, when you don't know what color to put. Silver is the best choice. Okay, we're gonna keep it like that. Okay, we're gonna do some silver bangles. I'm gonna just put some orange with it. Right here. And a little wooden bracelet. Alright, y'all, so we got the bracelets on. Now I'm gonna do just like a green ring because the pants are green. Okay. And the reason why I put this orange on is because I want to show y'all these. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Camera died, but we back in business. Okay, so I was saying the reason why I put orange on the wrist is because I wanted to show y'all these. Look how cute. They're like a mesh Mary Jane shoe. Love them. Had to get them. I bought mine online, actually. I saw it online. I said, oh, bye. Press bye. Had to do it, y'all. So let me put them on. And we're going to stand back. Ooh, they comfortable, too. They got a little cushion in it. They're cute. And then, just to top it off, let's go ahead and pair it with this bag right here. Okay. This is what it's looking like. Alright, y'all, so that is another outfit that you can pair with these pants. A plain white tee. You know, some accessories, which is the silver jewelry. That's not acting right. It came from Walmart too, but it's not acting right. We're gonna leave that down there. So, some jewelry, colorful ring, these orange Mary Janes, and these cute scoop pants. So, yeah, y'all, that's another outfit. We're down to one more outfit. So, y'all be patient, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so the next thing, it's like my favorite, really. So this is a graphic little tank. Also from the men's department. Don't sleep on them, okay? So this is a graphic tee, okay? On the back, it looks like this. I'm not sure who this person is, but I'm wearing it, okay? So I was thinking about actually distressing the shirt, doing something different to it. I'm not for sure yet, but this is how it looks right out the store, okay? So again, I like to just tuck one side. And I have it on with some Army jorts, y'all. So these are the Army jorts. Not sure if y'all can see it. I'm gonna get better light next time I do this, okay? So these are the jorts. Okay, super cute. Actually, I made these jorts, y'all. They were pants. I cut them up, and now I love them. Okay, so we got the graphic tee. So let's do what? Accessorize. Okay, let's do it. So here we go, y'all. You know I have to have the bracelets. You know we have to have the bracelets. We can do this too, this orange one. Because we got orange in it. We can do this. Let's do it. Let's do it. Hope they fit, y'all. Okay, that's good. He gonna have to stay at home. We got the cream one. The orange one. Let's go get another one over here. I know I got one. Yeah. We're gonna do this one. Okay. So we got all the cute bracelets on. Love it. Okay. But I'm not done. We are not done. Let's throw some gold in there. Let's throw some gold. I love some gold. Okay? Put the gold ones on. Just like this. So we got a little bit of gold going on. And then we even got a little ring. I think I'm gonna put it on this side just to throw it on. Earrings. Look at these, y'all. I want to say I got them from Walmart. I'm not for sure. Maybe H&M. But we're gonna wear them. Just like that. Got those. Now, we got some chains, and I'm thinking about putting on, but I'm not for sure. So let's see. I think the long one will be cute. Maybe. We can do both. We can do both. The long one. Yeah, I know this not gonna work. It works. My head ain't that big. So y'all, yes, let's do the double chain. Leave in the comments if I need to take the chains off or do the double chain, one chain. Let me know. Let me know. But for this outfit, definitely gonna rock some shades. So we got the tortoise shades with this green on the tint a little bit. So I said perfect. Perfect. Okay. So y'all look. Right when I put them on. I'm that girl. Right when I put them on. Okay. Let me see if I can lower it a little bit. This cute little shirt again from Walmart. Men's department. Men's department. Okay. And then we got some camo jorts on, y'all. Camo jorts. They baggy, but that's cute to me. I like it. And we got our bracelets. We good to go. We just need to buy some shoes. But yes, y'all, this is the look. This is the look. So we done tried on 3 outfits, y'all. 3. All of them was cute. Everything from Walmart. Just little pieces here and there that I was looking at. All of them cute. Go grab them. Grab them, okay? I'm gonna leave the description of, I'm gonna leave the link of everything and the price and all that. So you can just click the link and go push buy. Okay, that's all you need to do, push buy. But yeah, y'all, that's all of this try on. I told y'all we're gonna be getting dressed together. So that is all I have for y'all today. I'll be coming back with more stuff because I have some more stuff, okay? But I didn't want a long video. I have some more stuff, so make sure y'all come back for the next video. And make sure you like and subscribe. And yes, y'all, just come on back, okay? You know you want to. Come on back.